This is part 3, the conversation between King Yadu and Avadhut Brahmina. To see part 1 and part 2, please refer to the link in description box. Brahmina starts speaking about his 10th guru, ocean. The Avadhuta's 10th guru was the sea. In the rainy season, many rivers enter the ocean, but the ocean doesn't raise its level and remains calm. In the summer, the rivers are reduced to a trickle, yet the ocean's level is not diminished. So, from ocean he learnt that one should not be disturbed by the thoughts and desires that constantly enter the mind. One should not be elated when desired things happen or distressed when desired things don't happen in life. A self-realized sage remained level-headed in all circumstances because of his deep understanding of his eternal spiritual identity. Brahmina starts speaking about his 11th guru, Moth. The Avadhuta's 11th guru was Moth. Moth gets attracted to the light by its eyesight and later loses his life. The Avadhuta took this lesson from the moth that the sense objects attract us with their beauty, but they lead to our destruction. Just as a moth is drawn into the light of a fire to its death. So, one has to be sense-controlled. Just as moths rush into the bright flames of the fire, meeting their destruction, so too do all these worlds rush with great speed into the mouths of your universal form, there meeting their death. Reference from Bhagavad Gita 11.29. Brahmina starts speaking about his 12th guru, honeybee. The Avadhuta's 12th guru was honeybee. From the honeybee, the Brahmin took several lessons. The bee goes from flower to flower, taking just a sample of what each has to offer. Similarly, one should take only small mouthfuls when one eats, taking only enough to maintain the body. The bee that becomes greedy and continues to drink the nectar from a flower for too long risks being trapped after the sun sets and the flower's petals close. Same way, one should not stay as a guest in anyone's home to extent that it disturbs them. Srimad Bhagavatam 11.8.9 states that Stokam grased grasam deho varte tayavata grahana himsanathishted vritim madhukarim munihi. A saintly person should accept only enough food to keep his body and soul together. He should go from door to door accepting just a little bit of food from each family. Thus, he should practice the occupation of the honeybee. Brahmina starts speaking about his 13th guru, elephant. The Avadhuta's 13th guru was elephant. We saw that moth gets attracted to the light by its eyesight and later loses his life. Same way, the elephant is led to destruction by desire. In India, male elephants were typically captured by using female elephants. The lusty male elephant would get attracted towards the female and run toward the female and fall into a pit, created by hunter. The lesson there is that a renunciate should not allow himself to be influenced by attraction to the opposite sex. For the householder, of course, the lesson is the same. One should remain satisfied with one's spouse as long as they are true partners in the cultivation of spiritual life. The wife or husband who helps to cultivate one's relationship with Krishna becomes satsang, or beneficial association. On the other hand, if one quits one's husband or wife because they interfere with one's sensual pleasure, then this will lead to inauspiciousness. So, today we learned about another 4 gurus of Avadhut Brahmina with its teaching. In 4th part, we will see the other gurus. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.